So guess where we reach now? Funeral home in a Jamaica. A complaint say them now make no money since this whole outbreak. And this where we reach now, people. Yeah, no. We have to talk about that, you know, right now.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, my viewers. If this is your very first time to Unstoppable TV and you're not subscribed yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get the alert. So people, information releasing at the Jamaica Star say a funeral home a complaint. I say since this whole thing, no money now come in. You understand? Now, we know say the whole virus outbreak thing is not a good thing, you know. But at the same time, it cause a good thing because no more life now get taken. We no hear nothing na go on in Jamaica since this whole virus thing come round. But funeral home a complain now, people. You understand? It is kind of upsetting. No, as a matter of fact, not even kind of upsetting. It is upsetting. You understand? If you hear something like this, no, we understand that funeral homes is a business, you know. We understand that, yes. And every business needs to make money. But at the end of the day, we know why you complain when nobody now dead. What my son, people? Who want to talk to me, you know? Because this upsetting to me when me read it. And for who not hear about that, who not supposed to upset too. But I know me alone upset. So me not feel like me an idiot to be upset. That brother here another voice note here, upset too. Take a listen.
A guy named Courtney Byfield, look on him now. If you come out of business right away, no joke, nothing at all about this here. Hear this now. Funeral parlors have been taking a financial beating. You hear this? A financial beating since the emergence of COVID-19 in Jamaica. Look what the man them are putting up paper. Them now have no respect. Courtney Byfield, CEO of Byfield Sons and Daughter Funeral Service in Kingston, said that he has seen a precipitous dip in business. That means like it's a steep dip in business. Yeah? And in-prior attendance. He's even wondering if the uncertainty of the virus effect has driven gunmen underground. Remember take the time to this thing, guys. This I get my mad. Look what the man say. He man in that and son are better than go bury themselves. You understand the man now? He must say he want them to driven gunmen underground, the virus. Because that means he want to pick up the body there. When I say, yeah, everything slow down. You're the man disrespectful. And people matter about none of that mean he want people for dead, you know. You see me I say? And on Monday, we might pick up 3 to 4 bodies. And that didn't happen this Monday. You see the man disrespectful. We were discussing it and wondering if the coronavirus is making the gunman put down their guns, Byfield said. You know, see the man if you out of business. And man, I one of the root cause because him well dying for people love one dead. He may all pay for kill people, I may attack it for my thing because the way I'm talking alone, this alone is a crime. And man, you're not easy. You see me I say that man, you're not easy. See, you hear me talk about him, I wonder if you're going to put on because it's slow for him business and not pick up 4 body. But it happened this Monday. Can you imagine? We never say anything like this, man. This is unbelievable. I mean, like, nobody come and burn him out. You see me as a clerk? Eh? Nobody no come and burn him out, do they? You can't believe this? I know me still shocked. Me if you really looking for that him really say. I'm looking for really that him say. I'm call him name again. Courtney Byfield, CEO of Byfield, he makes sure of him sons them in and him daughter like I want daughter because of daughter. You see, him not pluralize him daughter, him sons and pluralize. Some sons and daughter service in Kingston. Me no know him, you know. He must get nobody boy, you know. Said that he has been, you see it? At the precipice dip, we are going down in the business and employee attendance, you know. Yeah, him say he's even wondering if the uncertainty of the virus effect has driven gunmen underground. He might wonder if it has driven the gunman that means he want people for dead. To make money off of people. Him him not supposed to do no burial thing. Him like he's supposed to revoke just to come talking to the paper. And the government them for see this and them for revoke him and shoot him down immediately. Him are one of them. We not fear ask. Everything slow down. And on Monday, let me read what him say.
Alright, so no say I know me alone find something wrong with that whole thing there, a funeral home a complaint. Eh? More wanna talk to me down below in the comment section, you know, and tell me what your views on that whole thing, you know, people. And that's how we reach now as human beings. John Rasta. Moving away from that, yeah, man. With the whole Elephant Man thing now, you know, they must say Elephant Man is being investigated right now for, allegedly, me make sure add that tonight, allegedly lying upon him customs farm, him landing farm, when him, you know, return back to Jamaica, and a whole big thing go on. Yeah, you remember that video that we do? Right. So, now, another entertainer speak out in regards to this, and the entertainer we talk about is Mr. Vegas himself. So we could take a listen to what Mr. Vegas have to say.
Bless up people, you don't know, so be there. Now watch out now people. You have some people who are selfish, irresponsible, and not have no respect for nobody but themselves. Elephant Man are one of them type of people there. Straight. Now this man a come from a territory. See? And him not disclose the territory where him coming from on him immigration farm. Talk about him drop asleep. And come now apologize. We know say there is a pandemic. So if a man go to a territory where the virus is, you don't think say it's your responsibility to make the authorities them know. Older people vulnerable to this virus. Because them system not as good as our system, or may not be as good as our system. So if you come now and infect other people, whether through direct contact or third party contact, we are going to tell the people them sorry after people lose them loved ones because of your carelessness. You never tell the people them where you come from because you don't want the people them quarantine you. Talk it truth. But you have to bear the consequences, or you have to deal with the situation to protect other people. This is not just about you, my youth. This is a virus that lives on surface. This is a virus when you cough, when you talk, all of them things there. You can infect people. The people them in your house, if you are going to lie to the authorities them when you come through the airport, then the people in your house, them not going to be responsible for quarantine themselves. Them are going to go to a supermarket. Them are going to go store. You come now and issue a little lame apology. As artist virgin, you make we look bad. You make we look fool, you make we look stupid, you make we look illiterate. You make we look like we don't have no behavior. You have to grow up, my youth. You're a big man now, and whosoever else I do it, for grow up. You come now with a little lame excuse about say you're there asleep. So you never stay wish by you there and sleep. Eh? Want to be irresponsible, man. And selfish. Come in a little lame apology now. After you disrespect the people, them. Go away. Na, 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 na. Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, na, 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 na. Na, na. That I want to tell you. That I want to tell you. Boy, you bumbo clot. Scatter me and your brother, but Me have a burn the fire. Next thing, other artists think say them can do it or other people through them status. Them think them can do this. Call a spade a spade. Go Ellie.
Now, Mr. Vegas has spoken. What are your views for what Mr. Vegas have to say? Now, since Elephant Man came out and apologized, we still see, me personally still see, where whole heap of people have beat Ellie bad in the comment section and I say, yo, Ellie, you're wrong, Ellie, a liar, tell you understand what I say? So at the end of the day, me can understand where Vegas have come from because nobody now really lean for Ellie's side. You know, as a people, everybody has say, yo, Ellie should have just abide by the rules because nobody not bigger than the law. You understand? Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me hear what your views and your take on this is. Alright, people. Me still want your opinion on that whole funeral thing there, you know. Yeah, me still want to hear from you. But for now, me done with this. Me gone until the next video. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. But hear what? If this is your first time to this channel and you're not subscribed yet, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you? I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.